Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Torn wallet to your NotCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to your Telegram and open up NotCoin by clicking on Earn. Once you are here, at the top you're going to see connect this wallet or just connect wallet. Click on that and then you have multiple options. Stonekeeper, MyTon wallet, TonHubD wallet. You can always view all of the wallets. So these are all of the wallets available. And then click on any. And basically what you want to do is follow on-screen instructions based on the wallet you want to connect. The on-screen instructions are pretty simple, and once you have done the steps, you're going to see your wallet right over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're having some issues, let me know the problem in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out.